Welcome back to my channel. And trust you and your family are doing great, and you are incorporating as much vegetables as possible in your diet. Today we're going to look at using the activated charcoal for our skincare routine. So activated charcoal is packed with benefits. I'm just going to go over the benefits quickly. Activated charcoal has become a very popular ingredient in the world of beauty today, because activated charcoal is now being used in a range of products like facial cleansers, shampoos, scrubs, etc. It's actually believed to draw out bacteria and impurities from the skin, and that's why activated charcoal is now being used widely for facial masks. So the question will be, how does it actually draw out the impurities from the skin? So activated charcoal is actually a fine powder that is produced after the common charcoal that we all know that is used for cooking is exposed to extremely high heat. Then this exposure creates tiny internal spaces and holes in the charcoal, making it highly absorbent and able to trap chemicals and toxins. So these properties of the activated charcoal make it a very, very good absorbent, and hence it can be used in our skincare routine. So one, you can use it as a facial cleanse. So like we're exposed to everyday pollution, dirt and skin oils that get trapped in the skin. And sometimes this gives us dull and lifeless skin. So you can actually use activated charcoal that will bind to the excess oil and impurities, and it will draw it out and giving your skin a cleansing and a refreshing look and feel to it. For this, you can just actually add some water, ideally distilled water, and make the paste to draw out the excess oil. And again, this will be very ideal for somebody who's got like oily skin, so it will pull out the impurities for that oily skin. Number two, you can use it to exfoliate the skin. Okay, so in this case, you can mix it with coconut oil if you have dry skin. So like regular use of this will actually help to lift off any dead cells from the skin that make the skin look dull, as the finely chopped powder will have a soothing and a gentle cleanse to the skin. So do take care, because you don't want to do anything aggressive to your skin, especially the skin on our face is very, very sensitive. So if your skin is dry or sensitive, you might just want to do it maybe once every 2 weeks. Again, you have to consult your dermatologist before introducing any form of exfoliation or any form of skincare routine, especially if you have any form of inflammation like acne or rosacea. So that's it for that. So in this video, you can see me, and I'm going to rub it in circular motion. So let's talk about the application process. So for an oily skin, simply add some water, ideally distilled water as discussed earlier, to mix the charcoal powder, and then apply it in circular motions. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes to dry, and then you'd clean it out. For Dry skin, you'd want to use something like coconut oil or even olive oil to mix it. And then for combination skin, I'll say use something like rose water. Again, you should know your skin type, and ideally if you have any skin conditions, then you always want to consult your dermatologist before even starting any skincare routine. So there you see me wash it all off, and my face is glowing. It's amazing, it's amazing, it's amazing. Whoever thought that charcoal could actually cleanse our skin this way? So just to recap the 7 amazing benefits of activated charcoal for our skin. 1, it will help to balance oiliness, especially for people with oily skin. Number 2, it will help to shrink any pores. So as it draws out the impurities and bacteria, then the pores will get back to normal. It's very good for acne. Number 3, it prevents premature aging as it reduces the pollutants in the air that normally results in wrinkles, skin discoloration, and other skin conditions that we experience without knowing that it's actually coming from like the pollutants and the smoke that's in the environment. So that's number 4, it prevents premature aging. Number 5, you can use it as a deep cleanser. So sometimes our skin actually needs a little bit more, and that is when the activated charcoal will come in and give you a deeper cleanse, and then hence it will promote a youthful skin. Number 6, it soothes your skin from any form of irritation, redness, and itchiness. Again, you always want to check with your dermatologist before you start any skin routine if you have any prior skin conditions. So the magic ingredient, that because it has more antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, antifungal properties, so it's able to soothe the skin. Number 7, it can be used in treating dandruff. So today I'm not talking about its benefits for the hair. I'm literally just narrowing it down just to the skin. So these are the 7 benefits that you can derive from using activated charcoal in your skincare routine, as it has antimicrobial properties. Thank you so much. It's always a joy to see you here. God bless you, and stay tuned in for more DIYs, and let's take our hair and our skin to the next level. Embrace your natural hair, embrace your natural skin. Bye bye.